Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today we're inside a hotel ready to go out and go camping. well, we'll see you later.
Hello guys, welcome to ACS. My dad and her friends are making a tent. And we need to go out. So come on! Go! Let's go there.
Okay, come on.
And yeah.
Okay guys, we are camping.
That's steep, but we can't get down because it's too steep.
Well, that's the tent, and that's sitting places, I guess. Okay, let me try to get up.
And yeah.
Whoa!
Too steep.
Oh yeah, grab the safe stick.
What?
Get it.
Steep.
Ah,
Did it. No. I
no.
need.
No.
I.
Oh no, someone's stolen the seat. Dang it. I needed that seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Look, I'm sitting on it. Ah. Ha.
Let's go. Look.
No, don't push me. Oh, crap. Oh, oh. Yep. Well, that was pretty beat the trick. I mean, he's literally the king. Look, he's got a little bowl of snacks over there. Okay, the tent is probably nearly done, so we're gonna have a tour inside.
I was looking for the stabby cat, but it kind of get lost. Because we're back. Yeah. You know, it's really hard outside this tent. So we're gonna.
Oh, it's really hot in here.
And yeah, I told you so. It's hot.
Okay, let me open it for a second. Okay, guys. This is a better tent camp thingamajig. Wow. There's Elia.
Hey, I really want cereal, but we don't have to wait for Mom until I get cereal.
Okay, guys. It's around about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm about to shoot my brother. Okay. Okay, you can shoot me first. Try to do it. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's my turn. Oh, great. Oh, he's gonna get revenge someday again. Dang it. Okay, guys. Over here, it's 6 o'clock by now, and
Yeah.
there's the moon. To you, it doesn't seem that dark, but over here, it actually is pretty dark.
I know. Right?
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
right? Okay, later we're gonna start the campfire. I can't wait.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I really don't think. Well, we're gonna have a campfire later, but it's actually kind of running out of battery. Okay, here it is. That's the light. But that small thing inside over there is the moon. And I'm gonna save the rest of the battery for tomorrow. And well, the what's it called again? Oh yeah, the campfire. So I'll see you later. Okay, guys, I just started the campfire, which is about to start later. And we have a lot of things on the menu.
Hi.
So we have corn on the cob, sausages, marshmallows, and stuff like that. But
Oh, and sausages.
I'm gonna tell you later. Bye. I'm gonna.
And sausages.
I know. Record the whole thing. I'm gonna record the whole thing. Dang it! Stop. Okay.
Yeah. We're doing it now.
So awesome. Elia, don't get caught. Ah, soft and gooey.
Something.
Yeah, I think this one's a little burnt.
Yeah, mine's not. Wow.
So bitter! Ah, guys. Well, so bitter. Yeah. This is awesome.
Okay, guys. So, how's your marshmallow?
Really soft and gooey.
Oh, look, it's a campfire. It's my dad.
Hey.
There's Alia. All the way over there. Okay, stop the recording.
This is what it looks like from the top. Just the light and the tree, and that's pretty much the campfire. Oh, hey, look. Those are pretty cute. Okay, guys, I guess this is the end of the camping vlog or something. Well, I got some really good corn here. I cooked it myself, and actually it smells really good. So, oh no, my brother's on.
You owe me some corn on the cob.
No, I don't.
Yeah, I do.
I don't.
Where's mine?
You don't.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, whatever. See you guys next week. Okay, guys, I woke up and the sunset and stuff. Yeah, what? Oh, whatever. And yeah, I just woke up earlier, and okay. There's still the fire over there and stuff. Yeah, what? Well, guys, I guess this is the end of the video, so hope you enjoyed my camping vlog and stuff.
No one would enjoy it.
Oh, God damn it. Bye-bye.